If you're anything like me and love getting out on the open road, the RYOBI ONE HP Brushless impact wrench is going to be one of your favourite tools. With HP brushless technology and 1600 Nm of breakaway torque, it really is next level. So it can make quick work of even the toughest jobs. And with a 1/2-inch friction ring anvil, socket changes are super quick. Which means I'm on to my next job in no time. There are 3 speed settings, so you've always got the right speed for the job. Plus, there's an assist mode, which reduces the risk of over-tightening when you're fastening, or loosening fasteners when you're removing them. It's a very handy feature. Another great feature is the built-in tri-beam LED. It means you can actually see what you're doing in some of those hard-to-get-to places we all love so much. The RYOBI impact wrench features RYOBI's high-performance brushless motor and is powered by the same 18-volt battery as all of my other RYOBI tools. So the next time you need a bit of extra grunt, get yourself the RYOBI impact wrench and you'll be back on the road in no time.
RYOBI, a cut above.